Hi, this is Emily at Glow Theory, and today we are getting Rebecca ready for the holidays. We are doing one of my favorite pre-event treatments, which is the Hydrafacial. Hydrafacial is a really great resurfacing treatment, and one of my favorites for the holidays is because it has no downtime. So we're able to do a good chemical resurfacing of the skin, add hydrating boosters, antioxidant infusion, get you nice and glowy for all your holiday parties and events, but without having to do any downtime. So you can even do something like this the day before your event.
Focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me